Okay, so this is the Swiss Beauty Duo Mascara. And apart from that, hello everyone. So make sure to check out the first part where we have reviewed Mars Double Trouble Mascara, which is a proper scam. Yes, and this is a better recommendation for those who want two wands and just one mascara. One for volumizing and other is for lengthening. See, the worst part about this product is it has less product first of all, and other than that it just dries up quickly in just maybe a span of 2 months. That's it. But it is a better recommendation because it still gives me volume and I use it. It gives me a very natural look. So yeah, definitely you can go for this. And Mars, I'm disappointed you shouldn't have done that. It just have this one wand which we think is two, but it's not. So Mars, if you can fix it, please fix it. And we still like the Double Trouble Mascara. That's it. Bye bye.